This weekend, I'm gonna turn this ugly corner of my bedroom into a sick pocket knife storage situation. So let's do it. Okay, so what I got is 2 pieces of 1/8 inch by 2 foot aluminum strips, and then some 1/16 inch thick by 1.5 inch aluminum strip. These work better for the knives. As I learned, if you try to put a pocket knife on this 1/8 inch thick, it's very hard and it stretches the clip so much. But if you use a 1/16 inch thick, it goes on pretty easy. It doesn't stretch the clip too much. So yeah, I got a piece of plywood that's 24 inches by 28 inches, and I'm gonna lay this aluminum out with 4-inch gaps in between each piece so that even the biggest knives have enough room to fit on there. And then I'm gonna use these steel spacers, there, 2 on the other side and 1 in the center. And then you can slide the knife right on. I'm gonna cut these strips 2 inches shorter than the board. So right at 22. Now I marked out where the spacers are going to go on the big piece and the small piece, and then I'll just mirror this to the other piece. Bam. Now I've got this one all placed where it's going to go, so I'm going to use a self-centering drill bit to drill the holes in the board so I know how to line everything up. I did get 1/2 inch spacers for the top bar so that I could fit a bigger knife back there, but yeah. Oh yeah, that's rigid. I don't even have a knife with me. It's looking pretty good. Now I just have to finish it and put a couple screws up there to hold my flashlights and keys and headphones. Pretty sure that one went through the table. Maybe that one did too. Bam! Now it's time to disassemble. I'm also going to make a French cleat out of this other piece of scrap wood, 20 inches wide. Gotta make extra sure that this is square, otherwise the whole thing will be crooked. everything down to 80 grit. So I'm going for more rough finish. The before and after looks pretty sick. It's all sanded. Now I'm going to stain it with some classic black Valuurethane wood stain. I don't know. We'll see. Putting stain on is always my worst favorite part, but also it's the most satisfying. Hopefully I don't turn my workbench black. Probably should have put down something underneath it. The French cleat though, already mounted to it, is kind of ideal because it keeps it off the table. You don't even have to put spacers underneath it. Now while that dries, I'm gonna go hang the French cleat. Let's get rid of this stuff. I really need to patch the holes in my wall, but that's not part of this project. Alright, it's a moment of truth to see if I measured right. Should be a stud here. That would be a stud. Yep, level. That ain't going nowhere. The board is dried, so now it's time to reattach the hardware and mount it on the wall. 10 out of 10, I would recommend using a magnetic plate to store the stuff and labeling the back of each piece, which way's up, which way's down. This time I'm also going to use finishing washers. Moment of truth. Looks pretty level to me. Now it's time to put some stuff on it. There it is. It's pretty sick. The other thing I would say is it's a little rough on the knives, like getting on and off there. It's a little rough, but knives are designed to scratch things, so why not scratch the knives a little bit. Let me know if you have any questions, comment, subscribe, like, whatever, if you want. I don't know. See you next weekend.